Hello everyone, I'm 지영 아줌마. Today we are making bibimbap. Bibim means mixing something well in Korean. The meaning of mixing is important for this dish. Bibimbap is a dish easily made with rice and vegetables in your house. It means there can be the only bibimbap in the world just for you. And it means there can be hundreds of recipes for making bibimbap. This is the main point of understanding today's cooking. What we are using is firstly bap. You can either cook rice or get pre-cooked rice. You need a stone pot for Nurunji. It's a crust remaining at the bottom of the pot by overcooking the rice. You can either use an iron or stained pot. You can also use coated one. Nurunji is like a gift after you finish the meal. It's really crispy and nutty. Anyway, today I will prepare the ingredients for 2 people. 10 ounces of cooked rice bap. I will use only 3 kinds of vegetables: zucchini, carrot, and oyster mushroom. Of course, you will need salt for cooking. Also, gochujang, sugar, and sesame oil for making the sauce. Now, let's start. Chop the zucchini in a half-moon shape. Put 3 pinches of salt and wait for 15 minutes. Then, you will get the moisture out of the zucchini. Squeeze it with cotton. Then, you will get dry zucchini. If there's no cotton, just squeeze it with your hands. Cut the carrot into thin strips. Tear the mushroom into a size for bites and parboil for 3 seconds in the boiling water. Remove the moisture as well. Make sure they are completely dry so they are fried well and taste good. Although this has many steps for cooking the mushroom, you will eventually get flavory mushrooms after they are fried. Now, we are ready to fry those vegetables. When you fry more than one vegetable, fry the white one first. It will prevent the moisture of colored vegetables from permeating to the white vegetable. It means we'll start to fry the mushroom. With a pinch of salt, fry it well with medium heat. Use a little bit of oil. You need to pay attention to the heat to prevent it from burning. After frying the mushroom, clean the oil with paper towels. This is to prevent all flavors to mix in advance. Next, with a little bit of oil, fry zucchini with medium heat. We've already put salt, so no more salt is necessary for frying. Same with the carrot. Carrot tastes better without salt when frying. Now, we have all 3 vegetables fried. Before we make nurunji, let's make gochujang sauce. Gochujang itself is okay for a taste, but a little bit of sugar will be tastier for bibimbap sauce. Gochujang with sugar is mainly used for Korean dishes. Today, we'll use 2 tablespoons gochujang and 2 teaspoons of sugar for the sauce. And there's one you cannot miss, sesame oil. But it doesn't go in the sauce. Now, I brought a stone pot. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and blend it well inside. If you like the nutty taste, put 2 teaspoons. This is the first step to getting tasty nurunji. Put cooked rice bap in the pot. We are not putting the vegetables yet. If they are in here too long, their texture becomes loosened. Once the pot gets hot, there's a rustling sound as the bottom is burning. If you hear the sound, reduce the heat to medium or low for 20 minutes to make the nurunji. Putting a lid will reduce the cooking time. But if you are worried if the rice is too overcooked or burnt, then remove the lid. Have a look at the inside and check the bottom while cooking. Check out how nurunji is made. Now, if you think nurunji is ready, put 3 fried vegetables nicely. After that, heat it at medium for 5 minutes. Open the lid after 5 minutes. Then, the dish is complete. Place the vegetables and bap on the other plate. You will meet the nurunji then. After that, mix the gochujang sauce with it. Do not put all the sauce at once. Put little by little based on your taste. Put 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and mix. Sesame oil upgrades the taste of bibimbap. Sesame oil had 3 rolls, making more nutty taste of nurunji. Making nurunji separate well inside the pot, and making the bibimbap taste better and more flavory. It's okay to mix all vegetables and bap in the stone pot without separating them into another plate. But I prefer the way to separate nurunji like this. There might not be carrot, mushroom, and zucchini. Then, if there's any other vegetables like lettuce, romaine, and paprika, you can just mix them without even frying. Bibimbap is based on the gochujang sauce. That will be your own bibimbap. This is a perfect plant-based food that makes us have all nutrients evenly. Bibimbap is not cooking that has to be made with perfect ingredients. It's food you can create with your own recipes with the ingredients in your house.